Welcome to this guide on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Binance has transformed the way millions of people around the globe trade and invest in digital currencies. In this video, you'll learn about Binance's comprehensive features, trading options, and why it has become the go-to platform for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, commonly known as CZ since its launch. It has grown to become the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. The platform supports over 600 different cryptocurrencies, giving users an incredible variety of digital assets to trade and invest in. This massive selection ranges from well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and tokens. Binance offers four main trading products to suit different trading styles. First, there's spot trading, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly at current market prices. Second, futures trading allows you to trade with leverage up to 125 times, using perpetual and quarterly contracts. Third, margin trading lets you borrow funds to amplify your trading positions and potentially increase returns. Finally, options trading provides flexible strategies for more advanced traders who want to hedge their positions or speculate on price movements. Beyond active trading, Binance provides multiple ways to earn passive income with your crypto holdings. Through staking, you can lock your cryptocurrencies to earn rewards and interest over time. Simple Earn offers both flexible and locked savings options with competitive annual percentage yields. Liquidity farming allows you to provide liquidity to trading pairs and earn trading fees plus additional rewards. The Launchpad feature gives you exclusive access to new token launches and emerging blockchain projects before they're widely available. Binance Coin, or BNB, is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance ecosystem. When you use BNB to pay trading fees, you receive significant discounts, making your trades more cost-effective. BNB also powers the BNB chain ecosystem, supporting countless decentralized finance applications and smart contracts. Additionally, BNB can be used for staking, making payments, and accessing exclusive benefits across the Binance platform and its partner services. Binance is known for its competitive fee structure. The standard spot trading fee is just 0.1% for both makers and takers, which is already lower than many competitors. However, if you choose to pay your trading fees using Binance Coin, you can save an additional 25%, bringing your fees down to just 0.075%. This low-cost structure makes Binance particularly attractive for active traders who execute multiple trades daily. Security is a top priority at Binance. The platform implements two-factor authentication, requiring multiple verification steps to access your account through SMS codes or authenticator apps. The majority of user funds are stored in cold storage, meaning they're kept offline in secure wallets protected from online threats. Binance also maintains the SAFU Fund, which stands for Secure Asset Fund for users, providing insurance protection against potential security breaches. Advanced anti-phishing measures and withdrawal whitelist features add additional layers of protection to keep your assets safe. For serious traders, Binance provides professional-grade tools. The platform integrates TradingView charts with over 100 technical indicators, allowing for comprehensive market analysis. Automated trading bots help you implement strategies like grid trading and dollar cost averaging without constant monitoring. Binance also offers robust API access, enabling developers and algorithmic traders to build custom trading applications and integrate Binance functionality into their own systems. Binance ensures you can trade from anywhere with full-featured mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. The web platform provides an advanced browser-based interface with access to all trading features without requiring any downloads. Desktop applications for Windows and Mac offer professional-grade tools optimized for serious traders. With availability in over 180 countries and support for multiple languages, Binance truly provides global access to cryptocurrency markets. Let's recap what makes Binance special. It's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange with the most comprehensive set of features available. You have access to multiple trading options, including spot, futures, margin, and options trading. You can earn passive income through staking and various savings products. And importantly, Binance maintains industry-leading security with multiple protection layers to keep your funds safe. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're an experienced trader, Binance provides the tools and features you need to succeed.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.